In this video, we'll guide you through how to set up Google Authenticator for Facebook. So for this video, you need the Facebook app and the Authenticator app. So the first thing you want to do is go to Facebook, and then you go down to your profile icon right here. Then you want to go to settings up right here, and if you can't find settings up right here, you can just scroll down to setting and privacy. Then you click on settings. So what you have, Meta Account Center, you click on see more in Account Center. Then you scroll down to password and security. Then you go to two-factor authentication. Then you want to pick your Facebook account here, not your Instagram account. So here you enter your password to confirm that it is you logging in. Alright, so here you can see I've already enabled two-factor authentication for SMS or WhatsApp. What I want to do is for authentication app, so you click on authentication app. So you are given a key. What you just want to do is copy this key that you are given. Then you go to the Authenticator app, click on get started, then click on use without an account. Then you want to do click on this plus icon, and I click on enter a setup key. So you enter the key you copied from Facebook, then you paste it right here. Then under account name you want to enter Facebook, then click on add. Now copy this code and then go back to the Facebook app. Then you click on next, and then you enter the code you copied earlier. Then you go to click on next, and that's done. So now you have two-factor authenticator app enabled for your Facebook app. So when next you want to log into your Facebook account, it will require the two-factor authenticator app, which you can just go to the Authenticator app to copy the code from there when you want to log into your account. So that's it for this video. I hope you find the video helpful. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.